I'll film as long as I can. I got rid of some of her files. She's, I don't know what she's doing. She shored him up. So he's all shored up. He's paralyzed, or dead. Probably paralyzed. She's got her other kill dragged down there on top of that big one, the buffalo. And now she's working around the stomach. I don't know what she's doing. She's biting some more. Because part of their poison is to break down the inside so that she can drink. I don't know how much poison she has. She might not be able to take care of a buffalo. She might have to leave him hanging. So it's good to age meat, they're gonna say. Hopefully that's the way the spiders look at things. She has to build back up her poison reserve. I'm pretty sure she's exhausted it on this caribou. I don't know if I finished the story.